Hey guys, what's up? Brian Savage here with you. And I showed in my last video, excuse me, this subwoofer that had blown, and I've got to throw it out because I'm not even going to attempt to rebuild it. Excuse me when I get a sip here. Not worth the time or effort, but you know, this is all aluminum. You know, there's pieces in this that are recyclable. Blah, blah, blah. So this paper stuff I'm gonna throw away and kind of get a better look at actually what happened to it. So start off here. Let's just find if that goes along. It does. All right. So we're just gonna cut this along here. Once I get it started, it should go pretty quick. Oh, I bet that sounds great. Everyone wearing headphones loves me right now. Maybe that's a saddest. Whoa. Okay. And now you see what happened. That tore right away. What is this here? 4518004-1034. I could make speculations as to what the date code is, but I have no idea how to read the date codes on these things. I don't care. So, I mean, potentially it could have been made in 03. Could have been the 3rd month of 2014. I mean, I have no idea how to read them. If you know, leave a comment below. Tell me what it is. This part stayed attached, and like I said, the speaker actually still worked. It made sounds, just not very pleasant ones. So all of this is all still good and attached. So theoretically, all I would have to buy is this portion, tear all this stuff up, clean this edge up, new voice coil, and put down in there. But again, I have no desire to mess with all that. But yeah, look at that. Still works just fine and dandy. I wonder if this has any juice to it. Pulls right in, see if it pushes out. So, all that portion of it good. Go figure. Oh well. No, probably no. Let me go ahead and just tear it the rest of the way down so y'all can see. You know, you have your wires here that come in, attached to both ends of this coil. And this part that I'm cutting now is called the spider. And early speaker technology, this part was actually spring steel that was very small, flat spring steel pieces, and was twisted, and it kind of looked like a spider and with its legs. So that's how this piece, I believe, got its name. And then this is the voice coil, aptly named. And I don't know, some mylar paper. Boy, that's a big old magnet. They're riveted on, looks like. Unless that's some kind of screw we can pop off. Let me take a whack at it with something. Take a little whack here and see what happens. Nope. That side's doing nothing, and that's just metal. So removing that magnet off of this thing could result in quite a lot of consternation. See where, and there's anything that goes through. It's just this hole. I imagine that's just something for lining it up in the manufacturing process, I would assume. And does nothing else. I don't believe there's anything else underneath this thing. Again, the carbon PS18C 500 watt speakers. Made in the USA. We love to see that. Yeah, there's nothing under that. So guys, I know, kind of a pointless video. I do them. Sorry about the camera moving around and all that. The shaky cam. But just kind of wanted to show you. I know the last video when I went back and looked at it, it really couldn't really make out what the carnage was on this thing. So anyway, these copper coils will get pulled off the Mylar. The Mylar, this paper, will get thrown in the burn pile and go up in smoke heat in my home at one point or another, starting a fire. And this ceramic magnet and this aluminum housing, boy, I bet that'd be just a booger to try to separate, so I'm not going to bother. And this will all go down to the scrap yard to where it can be melted down and turned into other amazing metal things. Metal. Alright, till then guys, share music, share the love. Peace out.